Driven by ongoing conflicts in Europe and West Asia, global demand for explosives and ammunition has pushed Indian defence exports to a record 23,622 crore rupees in 2024-25. The sector grew by over 12%, with Indian-made explosives like TNT, RDX, and HMX seeing strong international demand. Most manufacturing capacity is fully booked for the next 3 years, and at least 5 new private sector plants are expected soon. State-owned defense units also saw a 42.8% export surge, reaching 28,389 crore rupees, largely due to high demand for artillery-related ammunition parts in Europe. Reflecting the expansion of the domestic defense industry, the number of Indian defense exporters has increased by 17.4% over the past year.